Are you having low back pain with pinching pain from your back going down to your buttock? Welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. I'll be showing you a simple yoga sequence you can do every morning or even at the end of the day if you've been sitting a lot at work and you need to relieve the pressure off your spine. So get your mat ready and join me. Okay, my friends, if you have facet syndrome or lumbar stenosis, be careful because it's a narrowing canal. And when you do extension, it pinches it more. So everything here is safe for sciatica due to disc herniation or a little bit irritation from muscle spasm or tightness. So get your mat ready and we're going to start lying on your stomach first. So in this position already, if you've been sitting all day, this is perfect already on your back. So you take a deep breath on your forearm. Inhale. Feel that centralizing of pain. If the pain goes down your leg more, stop. But if you feel like just doing this position, you take a deep breath. Belly button in, squeeze your stomach, and then squeeze your glutes tight and blow. You might feel a little bit pain going up to your low back, and that's fine. And then slowly go down. Slow and easy. Inhale up. Belly button in, squeeze as hard as you can. Exhale down. Inhale up. This is a gentle yoga for low back pain with shooting pain on your buttock. If the shooting pain goes down further down to your toes, stop as well. We want to centralize it, which means pulling all the way to your low back area to decrease the inflammation of your sciatic nerve. Inhale up, exhale down. Last one. Belly button in, feel that beautiful release. And then slowly bend one leg and you slowly turn your body on one side. So when you turn, you're already pulling that nerve if it's on your left side. Even though there's no pain on your right, it's best to do both sides. Exhale to the right and you feel more muscle spasm in one side. Inhale and exhale, turn. Feel that release and you're pinching pain on your low back. Exhale back. Inhale, turn. Exhale. Belly button in, engage your core, even your stomach. You're still engaging your core muscles. Inhale, exhale. Belly button in, inhale, exhale. 2 more to go. Slow and easy. We're not doing this fast. It's a slow, controlled movement. Inhale, exhale. Last set. Inhale. And last one on your right. Exhale. Okay, my friends, now we're going to do both legs up and you feel a little bit more challenge on your hips and your hamstrings. And then if it's too difficult, you can always lower your head down on the mat. With your breathing, inhale, pull, exhale down. One breath, one motion. Slow and easy. Exhale. Belly button in, engage your core, squeeze your glutes. Exhale. 2 more to go. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Now we're going to slowly lift your leg up with your knee straight. And if on your forearm is still difficult, you can always go back again to your forearm and put your head down. Inhale left and right, alternating with your breaths. Engage your muscles. When you lift one leg, you're pushing the other foot down. to activate your muscles. So you're doing isometrics, pushing your knee and your foot down on the leg that's on the floor, on the mat, and then the other one pointing your toes away. With your breathing, so I'm pushing my left foot, lifting my right. Inhale, contract, relax to release all the tightness of your back. Inhale, exhale, last set, inhale, and exhale. Okay, my friends, you're going to your hands and knees. Your hands are leveled with your shoulders, so you're not straining your shoulder. Open your fingers out to stretch more of your finger flexors, and then your knees leveled with your hip, and then slowly look up, arching your low back to extension. To extension, arching your low back, inhale, and exhale back to the center. Looking straight down to the mat. So slowly look up, arching your back, and you feel a little bit pinching pain in your low back area. Contract and then relax, exhale. Belly button in, inhale up, squeeze as hard as you can, exhale. 4 more to go, feel that beautiful release. Exhale down, squeeze your stomach in, inhale up, belly button in. 2 more to go, slowly go up, exhale back. Last one, feel that beautiful stretch of your low back. So whenever you feel that pain in your low back, you're centralizing it. That's better than shooting down on your buttock. So look up slow and easy. We're not doing an angry cat position. We're just doing the camel pose. Exhale. And then pulling my belly button in as I go back to neutral. 2 more to go. Inhale. Exhale. Feel that beautiful release of your back as long as there's no shooting pain on your glutes. If it's shooting pain, then you're not ready yet. Just continue on your stomach position, the one that we did earlier. And then you can slowly progress on your hands and knees next time. Last one, exhale. And this is a gentle stretch. If you're getting tired, you can always go down to child pose. 1 more deep breath. Inhale. Pull your belly button in. Exhale, blow. Okay, my friends, now we're going to slowly shift your body weight to the right. You're trying to look on your left foot. Inhale and exhale, shifting to the center and blow. Keeping your core engaged to protect your spine. Now twist to the right. Inhale, feel that lovely release of your back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Belly button in and blow. 3 more to go. Inhale. Exhale. Belly button in. Slow and easy and blow. Okay, my friends, now we're going to slowly reach on your left arm, keeping your pelvis neutral. You don't want to twist. You want to keep it leveled for now. Inhale, engage your core. Exhale down. Alternating, right? Exhale down. So this helps shift your body weight, and then it challenges your core muscles more as you shift left and right. So reach with your breathing. Now we're going to do a gentle reach. 1 hand. So when you're doing this, you're activating your core muscles. Even just being in your hands and knees position, you're already engaging your core more than earlier. So you're reaching forward gently without twisting your spine. Inhale, exhale. You shift your body weight a little bit to the right as you lift your left hand, but keeping your pelvis neutral. Exhale, alternating. 2 more to go. Inhale, reach gently to activate your serratus. Exhale and your lats as you pull back. Last one. Inhale, pulling your belly button in to engage your core. Pull your belly button in to engage your core. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Now we're going to slowly extend your leg, keeping your knee straight, pointing away from you. Leveled, your head still looking straight. You don't want to look down towards your leg. Inhale, Exhale, shift your body weight, slow and easy. Inhale, feel that lovely release. And then you're gently pushing more on your knee to contract, relax. 2 more to go. Feel that lovely release of your back. And now you're feeling much better, ready. Slow and easy. Inhale. Exhale, last one. And blow. The next one is bird dog. So you're going to reach with one hand. This one, I'm going to reach with my left, and then you lift your right leg. So when you do this, it's really one of the best for your core engagement to strengthen your core muscles safely. And then right hand, left leg. Inhale, exhale. Belly button in and blow. My recommendation is to do this 10 times. Everything we're doing today is 10 times, but this is demonstration only. If you want me to do a follow along video, let me know. Last one, I'm just doing a few repetitions for demonstrations. And blow. And now we'll end our program with a gentle child pose to release any spasm. So what we did today, we did some simple stretching and core engagement to strengthen. Even 10 minutes a day, every single day, it will help your back pain and weakness of your spine to improve the stability. So I'm really looking down to release any tension, and then slowly going to my hands and knees to cool down more, to shift my body weight on one side. So I'm turning my body to one side. You inhale. I'm looking on my left foot and twisting to the other side, looking on my right foot. So really releasing more hip stiffness and aches. Inhale. Exhale, of course, 10 repetitions each way is my recommendation. Belly button in, slow and easy. Exhale. And then we're going to do child pose again. Slow and easy to release any stiffness on your back. And progress to a puppy pose, which is almost like a child pose, but instead of sitting on your buttocks, you're just extending your hand, lowering your chest to extension. It really targets your thoracic spine. And that's it. I'm hoping you learn a lot on how to relieve any pressure of your low back. If you want to learn more about Pilates, yoga, and physical therapy to heal your spine, please subscribe my channel and ring the notification bell so you won't miss anything. I will be releasing a 6-part video series starting tomorrow. It's about a course that I'm preparing. So I'm excited to share my knowledge and skills on healing your spine. If you're interested, please leave your name and email address on the early bird waitlist so you won't miss this beautiful 6-part video series that I'm releasing starting tomorrow. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or concerns, leave a comment on my social media or here directly on YouTube, and I'll try my best to answer each one of you. Always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. Until next time, bye!